Okay, exercise 5.7. It's pretty laid out. It gives us the items in black, and we have to find the items in green. Sales revenue is 90,000 stated, and to get sales returns and allowances for Blossom Company, you take sales revenue and subtract net sales to get sales returns and allowances. Or the other way is 90 minus 1, sorry, 90 minus 10 for 80. So that's another way to think about it. So 10,000 for sales returns and allowances. Net sales of 80,000 is given. COGS at 54,000 is given. Gross profit is 26,000. We can get gross profit by subtracting COGS from net sales. So 80 minus 54 is 26,000. Um, Operating expenses are then given at 14,200, and we get net income by taking gross profit subtracting operating expenses. So 26,000 minus 14,200 for 11,800. We'll bump on over to Sunland Company. 103,000 is given in sales revenue. Um, Sorry, not given. We need to figure that, and we'll take net sales and as sales returns and allowances to get 103,000. Moving on, and asks us to compute COGS, and COGS is figured by taking net sales and subtracting out gross profit. So 100,000 minus 40,000 is 60,000. Simple enough. And then the operating expenses we get from uh, subtracting out net income from gross profit. So 40,000 minus a number equals 14,000, and that number is 26,000. So some quick algebra there. Some quick algebra here. Um, and then moving on to Blossom Company with the profit margin and gross profit rate. Profit margin is figured out by taking the net income and dividing it by the net sales. So coming back up here, the net income is 11,800, and the net sales are 80,000. So 11,800 divided by 80,000 will get us 0.148, and then you convert it's like 1.1476 or something like that. Rounds up to 0.148. We convert that to decimal, we get 14.8. Gross profit rate is we take our net sales and subtract out COGS, which is 54,000, and then we divide it by net sales. So 80,000 minus 54,000 in parentheses divided by 80,000, and that gets us 0.325 converted to the decimal for 32.5. Again, Sunland Company is figured the exact same way. We'll come up here and take our net income and divide it by net sales. So 14,000 divided by 100,000 for 0.14 converted to the decimal, and we get 14%. Gross profit rate is taken by taking our net sales of 100,000, subtracting out 60,000, so that would total 40,000, and then dividing it by 100,000, which gets us 0.4. We change it to percentage, and we get a 40%. And that's that. A couple of things I learned by doing this is to not use my cell phone as the screen recorder. I did that, and then BYU Idaho wouldn't allow me to post a 4-minute video on a discussion. So just something to keep in mind. I tried fixing that today, and then I realized that Screencast would be a lot easier tool to use, and you do not have to download anything onto your computer. Anyways, thanks for participating.